All right, so this is number 3 on there. I went ahead and rewrote it with your divisor and your dividend. All right, so the only difference between these and the ones you were working is the fact that your divisor has a coefficient other than 1. So you'll have to think about that when you're dividing. And also just the fact that these are longer. So you've got higher degrees. So still starting out with that first term. So we're looking at 9n, and we're dividing it into 54 into the 4th. If it helps you, you can write it off to the side. So you're doing 54 into the 4th divided by 9n. So first talk about the numbers. 54 divided by 9 is what? 6. And then remember we said if the variables right there are the same and we're dividing, we can just subtract exponents, right? So that's an exponent of what right there? 1. So 4 minus 1 is into the 3rd. So if I divide those, I get 6 into the 3rd. I'm going to put that on top. All right, what do I do next? We'll bring it down by multiplying. So this times all of this. So 6n cubed times 9n would be 54 into the 4th. 6n cubed times negative 7. Negative 42 into the 3rd. All right, next step is to do what? Subtract. So change both of those signs. So that becomes a negative 54 into the 4th. That becomes a positive 42n cubed. So those will zero out. Negative 51 plus 42 is what? Negative 9n cubed. And then I need to do what? Bring down that 34n squared. All right, let's erase this over here so we have room. All right, so we are dividing 9n into negative 9n cubed. So if you need to do it off to the side, you can. So negative 9n cubed over 9n. What happens to the numbers? Negative 9 divided by 9 is what? Cancel out, so negative 1. And then n cubed divided by n would be n squared. So negative 1 n squared, or you could just put negative n squared. All right, now what? Multiply. So negative n squared times 9n. Negative 9n cubed. Negative n squared times negative 7. Positive what? 7 n squared. Now what? Change signs. Subtract. So that changes to a positive. That changes to a negative. 34 minus 7. That is what? 27n squared. And then I do what?
Bring down the
negative 111n. All right. Then I'm back to what step? Seeing what will go in. So dividing. So 9n and 27n squared. And that would be 3 what? Positive or negative?
Positive.
So 3n times 9n, 27n squared. 3n times negative 7, negative 21n. Change my signs. Negative 111 plus 21, help me out. 90? Negative 90?
Yes.
And then bring down my 68. All right, 9n divides into negative 90n. How many times? Negative 10. Is there an n this time?
No.
Nope, your n's going to cancel. So negative 10 times 9n. Negative 90n. Negative 10 times negative 7. Positive 70. And then I need to do what? Change your signs. So that leaves me with a negative 2. Do I have anything else to bring down? No. So do I have a remainder? Yes. My remainder is negative 2. So I'm going to write that as minus 2 on top, my divisor on bottom.